Take out your binky and show Mama.
Can I have it? Throw it to Mommy. Throw it. Good job. What, do you want it? But this is only for when you go to bed. Dang it, I missed the thing.
Good boy. Call Dada. Call Dada. Call him. Take the binky out and call Daddy. Say Dada.
Dada.
Yes.
Dada.
Yes.
Dada. Dada.
What?
Dada.
What?